You ask anybody out there, everybody wants to be rich. Everybody wants to be wealthy. And everyone thinks there's some formula to getting wealthy, right? Wow, there's no guaranteed formula for becoming wealthy. There are some great general rules and guidelines that can increase your chances of achieving financial success if you just follow the steps, right? And that's easier said than done. Trust me, I know. But before we get into the top 10 rules to wealth and these guidelines,
allow me to reintroduce myself. My name
put
is
in work, Burke, the wealth builder himself for the Wealthbuilderz with a Z.com. That's the Wealthbuilderz with a Z.com. And a co-owner of the Wealthbuilderz Solutions LLC. If you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like this video. Okay, so let's get into these top 10 rules to help you on your journey towards building wealth. Like I keep telling y'all, wealth, there is no beginning or end to it, right? It's a journey, and that journey will forever continue. So let's go with number 1. Set clear financial goals. Define specific and achievable financial goals. That is key. Make sure your goals are actually achievable though, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, starting a business, or retiring early. Having clear objectives will help you stay focused and motivated. Trust me, motivation comes and goes. So you need a clear vision to know where you're headed. And while you're at it, grab my book, The Wealthbuilderz Budget Planner, Bill Organizer. This planner will help you create a budget and stick to it. Okay? Because creating a budget is kind of like starting a new diet or workout routine. It only works when you stick to it. So check it out. Link is in the description. Hope you enjoy the book. Let me know how it helps you, okay? Number 2, live below your means. I can't even say it because it's so hard to do, right? Living below your means. Spend less than you earn and avoid unnecessary expenses. Creating a budget and tracking your spending can help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more money, right? Now, cutting back is essential in the beginning, but you don't want to do that forever, right? Nobody wants to do that forever. Nobody wants to do that forever. I don't, I know you don't, right? Because cutting back to save creates a poverty mindset. You start looking at things in a lack form instead of in abundance form. You start looking at things like, oh, I can't do that. I gotta save. Oh, I can't buy a cup of coffee because I gotta save. What type of life is that, right? You want to set up your mindset a different way so you can't do that forever. Cut back until you hit your goal and then stop. And also you want to set up your accounts to save automatically, right? Meaning that when you get paid, there should be a setting to transfer a portion of your money into your savings account on autopilot, which can help you because nobody really wants to go into their accounts and say, let me take 10%, put it in my savings, take 5%, put it over here. You want it to be automatic, okay? Number 3, invest wisely. Put your money to work by investing in assets that have the potential to grow over time, such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Diversify your investments to reduce your risk. See, there are a bunch of different ways to invest your money and not just stocks and bonds, right? So when you're saving, when you're cutting back to save, you want to save to invest. You don't want to save just to save. And one of my favorite ways to invest my money is investing in startup companies. If you want to learn more about this way of investing, check out the link in the description, okay? Because you can become the next great angel investor and you don't have to actually be rich. Go figure. Next up, we got number 4, educate yourself about finances. Yes, I know sometimes people run out of time. You don't have time to do things. You don't have time to educate yourself. But what better education is than money, right? Now, what you need to do is learn about personal finances, investing, and money management. The more you understand how money works, the better decisions you can make with your finances. I have a list of the top 10 personal finance books on Amazon. The link is in the description. So go ahead, check out that link. Number 5, start early and be consistent. I wish somebody told me this when I was 19, 18, 17, right? See, the power of compounding works best when you start investing early and contribute consistently over time. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. See how it works? And this also speaks true for learning how to build wealth. The more you learn early on, the more that information and that education can compound, and the more you can potentially earn or make from investing, right? Number 6, avoid debt. Now, this is one of the hardest things to avoid nowadays. And you want to minimize and manage your debts. High interest debts can erode your wealth and limit your financial freedom. Prioritize paying off high interest debts as quickly as possible, okay? And I know it's easier said than done. I'm not saying this stuff is easy. I'm just saying these are the steps and the rules, if you follow, potentially become wealthy. Number 7, diversify income streams. Don't rely on a single source of income. Explore opportunities to create multiple streams of income, such as side businesses, passive income from investments, or rental properties. And there's a caveat to this. I know some people pick up second jobs, which is cool, but you want to try to use some of that income to invest. That's so you're not working for the rest of your life. Number 8, network and build relationships. Building strong professional and social networks can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations that may lead to financial success. And I have to get better with that because I know I suck at networking, and that's something I'm definitely working on. Number 9, stay disciplined and patient. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Avoid impulsive decisions and stay patient during market fluctuations. Avoid chasing get rich quick schemes and stay focused. Number 10, give back and practice gratitude. You gotta build a mindset of abundance and generosity. Helping others and being grateful for what you have can create positive energy and attract more opportunities for growth. Remember that everyone's path to wealth is different, and you have to stay true to your goals and values. Building wealth is a long-term process that requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. All right, so keep all that in mind, all right? Thanks for watching Wealth Builders. Hope you got some great insight on this video. I hope you enjoy the channel. Subscribe, like, share. Check all the links in the description if you want to get down with the Wealthbuilderz Newsletter. It's a free newsletter I drop every day. Check it out. It's free, so might as well sign up, right? Anyway, Wealth Builders, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, signing off for my top 10 rules to get wealthy the Wealth Builders way. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.